Hey guys, it's Gary from MileageWise, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize our universal trip import function to fix up your old mileage logs or create new ones completely from scratch. As long as you have an Excel or a CSV file of your trips, be it from your work, your calendar, your accounting software, or even your old mileage tracking application, you can transform it into an IRS-Proof mileage log with MileageWise. Let me show you how it's done. Click here to import your trips, select the Excel option, and just grab your file from your computer and drop it right here. You will be notified via email when the process is finished, so feel free to grab a coffee until then, or you can continue working on other months as well if you wish to. And once you receive your email, it's time to check the status of the trips. As you can see, all of them have been successfully imported. And now for the finishing touches, it is always recommended to add your end of month odometer reading to make sure that your logs are completely IRS proof. If there's a slight discrepancy in mileage, as you can see up here, you can actually use our monthly distance correction, which will take care of your discrepancy, just like that. And now it's time to print your IRS proof mileage log. And what you're seeing now is actually our built-in IRS Auditor function that checks for and corrects 70 logical conflicts and contradictions in your mileage log to provide you with an IRS proof end result. And this is what the end product actually looks like. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.